Okay, so I was watering my plants and I dragged my hose across the top edge of this, and this black piece popped off and all of the water just started shooting up out of there. And so today I'm going to try and put it back together and see if it works. At first I just found the cap, but then I saw this piece laying on my sidewalk, so I'm just going to put that down in there and screw this back on with the threads threaded there and see if that works for me. While I had this open, I just wanted to investigate. I wouldn't recommend you do this because you could strip the plastic threads, but I just want to see how it was built a little bit, how it works. And this piece is the part that pops up, so but I don't think you need to pop it up to screw this back on. I think this was just loose, and give it a spin, and oops, it's back together. So I'm gonna just test it out and see if that does the trick. Seems to be working just fine. Easy, so easy. Hope that saved you a few bucks. If you found that helpful, please like and subscribe. Have a blessed day.